Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. Today I am recording very early. I have never recorded that early before. Heavy voice, that's fine. This is me, all good. Let us do our number. Today we are doing number 5 out of the Celestial Divinity palette by Mcgrath Labs. It is a beautiful color, one of my favorite colors, and it is called Violet. It is called Violet Void. This is what it looks like on my finger. I am going to swatch for you. This is what it looks like swatch. It is gorgeous. It looks like this in the pan because it always looks different in the pan than it looks in a swatch. This is it right here. See, I like this kind of voice. This voice is a little deep and heavy. It's like when you talk to kids and say, sit down, they catch you. They're like, did you say that? Number 5 from the 18 pan palette today. Why am I using a brush? I am not sure. I should not be using a brush. But I started with this brush. I'll use this brush later. A black base is the purple. See? Favorite colors, purple. This look is simple, easy, quick look. If you want a quick look that you don't want to do a lot of work with, you can do this. Eyeliner, fix it up, and you're good. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible for my foundation today. Foundation is on, and move to the next step. I am now setting my foundation. Complete look, but I need a little lip gloss. A little lip gloss on my lips. this is nice. This is my eye makeup look for today. I used the purple, it is called Violet Void, and this is what I use, only that, the one color, because we are doing one color each day until we get all the pan done. And this is the Mcgrath Celestial Divinity. I am feeling this. This is my favorite color. I love it. So I showed you the foundation I use. Everything else I have used before, so it's nothing new, except we are just doing an eye makeup look for today. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And if you love what I am doing on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please do. Hit the subscribe button, then hit the notification bell. When that shows up, hit all, so everything that I do on YouTube you will receive. I also have playlists on exercise, where I was 160 and I lost 30 pounds. Now I'm 130. I'm about 130, 135. I have maintained that. And I also have makeup and I have hair care. So enjoy, watch more than one video. I would appreciate that very much. It keeps me visible and it helps me grow on YouTube. And I will see you in another video. Makeup for today is that Violet Void. I am feeling me today because I am in my element. When I am in my element, it's like yes. And I record real early. It is really early today. So again, bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Purple, this is gorgeous.